macaroni cheese, medium-high heat, add water, pinch of salt, olive oil, add 1 cup of macaroni pasta. When the water starts to boil, give this a mix and cook for 9 to 10 minutes. Remove and wash this in cold water to stop cooking. Add some butter, garlic. Cook the garlic until nice and brown. Just to flavor the oil, remove the garlic, add plain flour and cook this until brown. Start mixing in 1.5 cup of milk, slowly. Season with black pepper, salt, dried parsley. Mix that in. Now just turn off the heat. Now start mixing in cheddar cheese slowly. The same sauce can be used in different pastas. It can be served with vegetables, etc. Now you're going to add the macaroni pasta. Give this a good mix. Add this into a baking tray. Distribute it evenly. A thin layer of cheddar or mozzarella cheese in the grill for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is completely melted. Done. Cut a slice. This looks so good. Who doesn't love macaroni cheese? Yum! Just gonna try this macaroni cheese. Wow, very delicious, cheesy, well cooked. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullah.
وأجتاز السماء جلالا فأزيد أسراب الغيوم جمالا وألون الدنيا بأجمل بسمة وأكون للخير العميم